In this video, are we going to see more Bitcoin dump within the next few days? Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gabs Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade these guys with PHEMEX and BYBIT, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So in our previous analysis, we mentioned that previously we have been seeing Bitcoin trying to break to the upside following this 4-hour time frame bullish divergence. So we were monitoring that 4-hour time frame bullish divergence, wherein the price has been consistently declining while RSI is increasing. So those are traditional signs of a bullish trend reversal. And from our previous analysis, we were also monitoring this 4-hour time frame falling channel, which in the previous video what I told you is, if we are going to see a candle close above the 15,000 US dollars, 115,000 US dollars resistance, if we see a candle close, then only then we can go to 120. But if we see a rejection, then of course this would just further consolidate here with the Bitcoin price action. But on top of that, I also posted on my Facebook page that we have saw a hourly time frame bearish divergence in the hourly time frame. So we were expecting Bitcoin to go down to the 113,000 US dollars. So I posted this on my Facebook page. Make sure that you follow also my Facebook page so that you won't miss out any updates with the cryptocurrency market. So yeah, I posted this after I have done that video. So we were able to trade and take advantage that short-term dump that we have seen in the hourly time frame. So as you can see, let's go to the hourly time frame. You can see that hourly time frame bearish divergence has actually started playing out, and we have met our target exactly as how we are predicting that movement. But right now, what is next for the Bitcoin price action? So let's try to zoom out into the daily time frame, because I think this is another critical case which we have to consider right now, and that is the stochastic RSI bearish cross in the daily time frame. Because the last time that we saw a bearish stochastic RSI cross in the daily time frame, this was the price action. After that bearish cross, we saw a massive crash with the crypto market. So that was on top of the 4-hour time frame bearish divergence. So there was a 4-hour time frame bearish divergence at that time. At the same time, we saw a daily time frame bearish stochastic RSI cross. So we saw a massive crash to the downside on top of what was happening globally. But yeah, right now, as you can see, Bitcoin is now trying to replicate that similar stochastic RSI bearish cross. However, the main difference here is we don't have any signs of bearish divergences in the 4-hour time frame. So what does this mean with the Bitcoin price action? So right now, I'm expecting for Bitcoin to go down within the next few days following this bearish stochastic RSI cross. So right now, I'm expecting Bitcoin to maybe go down at least around the 100, maybe around the 107,000 US dollars, given that we are currently seeing this bearish stochastic RSI cross in the daily time frame. This could indicate that we might just consolidate further, and we can continue playing this daily time frame stochastic RSI following what we have here in the chart. So if let's say we are going to follow this wave of movement in the stochastic RSI, this would indicate that we are also going to see that downtrend following this bearish stochastic RSI cross. So right now, that is what I am currently monitoring, and As I've told you, I have opened a massive short position with the crypto market. I entered around the 110,000 US dollars, and I am going to add more short position going forward. If let's say we see Bitcoin go back to maybe the 121,000 US dollars or so on, I will add more to my long-term short position. And right now, those are the things that I'm going to do with my long-term trades. However, for the shorter time frames, for the short-term trades, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a short position at a different exchange. So the long-term trade short position is going to be opened in my BYBIT account. The other one, I'm going to open it with PHEMEX and MEXC. So make sure that you use our sign up link. You can find a description down below so you can also join in those platforms. But yeah, going back, I am going to open a short position for the short term, and I will take a short position trade and target around the 107,000 US dollars as a target area here for this next Bitcoin movement. And maybe I'll place a stop loss around the 116,600 US dollars. So in case now we see a bullish reversal here, or in case we see a fake out, then we would secure our capital. But yeah, right now I am going to target the 107,000 US dollars following this Bitcoin daily time frame stochastic RSI bearish cross. And on top of that, there are no other indicators forming across all time frames, across all indicators. So right now, I believe the only reliable indicator for the time being that on my end that I can monitor is just the stochastic RSI in the daily time frame. So what I would think would happen is we will just be more likely going to play out up until the 107K, and then from there on we will reassess the market on what can happen next after we reach this certain area. Maybe maybe it can fall around the 110,000 US dollars, between the 107,000 to $110, because those are the crucial key support areas which we have to monitor with the Bitcoin price action. So in this case, for my short position, since I have opened a short position just now, I will target first the 110,000. I will take partial profit. Then once I have taken partial profit from there, I will adjust my stop loss into a trail stop. Then once we go to the next target area, our next take profit area, I would close my full position. I will close my full short position once we reach the 107,000 US dollars. And take note, this is just for the short term. I will leave my long-term short position open, and I will just keep on adding if let's say we see a bullish retracement with Bitcoin for the next few days. But yeah, right now those are my strategies for the Bitcoin price action within the next few days. And take note, just like what I said earlier, if you want to take advantage of these trades, make sure to trade this with BYBIT, PHEMEX, and of course MEXC, because they have one of the lowest Bitcoin trading fees. And if you don't have an account with them, make sure to use my sign up link, which you can find in the description down below. But anyway, that's all the update for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.